friends, Running Kimono here. So we have a lot going on over at Walgreens, and it's going to be another great week. The digital boosters are stacking, and if you may be so lucky to have a paper booster, it's a triple stack. And I got some free Tide this morning and some other little freebies. So the first part of the video, we're just going to talk about basic deals. And at the very end of the video, I'm going to show you my $25 basket to get this triple stack going. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe today so you can save even more money over at Walgreens. Okay, so the first piece of business is if you go to the healthcare aisle with vitamins, supplements, pain relief, and you find some stuff on 90% off and it's tagged buy two, get a $5 store register reward. Grab two of them and you are in business for a good little money maker. So the Kids Icy Hot, specifically that product, I saw tagged and it's buy one, get one 50% off. So for two of them, it was like $2. And then I got back a $5 register reward. So that's quite fantastic. You got a really eagle eye in the vitamin pain relief aisle, but it's on this goofy promotion. So if you see this specific tag, you are in business. So they're calling it health and wellness products. It's one register reward per transaction. So today I found 4. I had to do 2 separate transactions to get my 2 register rewards. So grabbing 2 of the Kids Icy Hot, it would be $1.93. I used $2 in Walgreens cash and I had to pay the balance of the tax. And I got back one $5 store register reward. This is a no booster deal and it is one register reward per transaction. So if you're going to find 4, you break it up into 2 transactions and it makes it a really great little freebie. And, you know, I have nieces and nephews. They're really going to enjoy this. And then just to show you the quick peek, these are the store register rewards. So I can turn around and use them again in store. Perhaps if I was going to be buying, you know, some clearance paper products or something, this would be perfect. So on the same promotion is like vitamins, supplements, allergy relief. So even like this women's multi-gummy, I wish I could have found 2 of these. Unfortunately, no dice for this old girl, but maybe you'll have better luck than I. Definitely that allergy, pain relief aisle, vitamin aisle, walk down. And if you can line up a deal like this, you can possibly get some freebies going for you. Now we have a deal for some free Febreze. We're going to be grabbing an Air Effect for $3.29. One of these plugs with no oil. It's also on the same promotion price at $3.29. And the final product is a single small spaces. Not this double pack, but the single pack. Unfortunately, my store was sold out, but that $3.29. You're going to load the following digital coupons. $2.30 for the small spaces, Air Effect, and for the plug warmer. So these 3, how generous is this? And Febreze is on a promotion to buy 3, get back a $3 register reward. So 3 of these products will be $9.87. Subtracting your digital coupons, you're paying $2.97, getting back a $3 register reward, making it free. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but who doesn't like some free Febreze products? Because it's a register reward deal, also this is in-store only. You can't do this one as a curbside for those that are wondering. I'm always looking for a really good deal for Head & Shoulders on the cheap. This was on clearance for $5.89, so I just whipped together a quick deal to just kind of get rid of some of my register rewards that I had. I had a $5 off for P&G and just a $3 off from, I think, last week for some other deal. So this is $8 right here, and I had another 3 off 2 digital coupon that was attaching to the clearance shampoos. This is a pretty straightforward deal. 2 of these is $11.78. Subtracting that digital coupon and then $8 in register rewards, I had to pay 78 cents plus tax, and this is a non-booster deal. So, I mean, it's just a way to kind of like liquidate that weird P&G register reward. If you find like any sort of shampoo or something like that, just time to buy right now. For those of you that might have missed the Dove deal last week, they're on promotion for $7 each, $2 register reward when you buy 2 of them. And I'm not sure if that 7 off 2 digital coupon reset. I had one loaded from last week and it was still on my account. I didn't see a new one. So make sure you have this one loaded. Two of them is 14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $7. Get back a $2 register reward, shaking it out to $5 for two or $2.50 per body wash. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. In my preview video, I did give the full matchup for this, but the bar soap is an extra $2, and I think we have a 4 off 2 digital to go with that. So it shakes it out to being a little bit more expensive. Check out my Friday video if you wish to see that. There's an anti-stress bar soap. I think I need to buy some of those, but a little bit more. But I know a lot of you are very, you just like bar soap. So that's an alternative deal. Check out my Friday video for that math. I always like when this deal shows up, the $1.24 Dawn dish soap in apple original scent. Grabbing two of them, it's going to be $2.48. You're getting back $1 register reward, making it $1.48 for the 2 or 74 cents per dish soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. And if you were going to say get 4 of them, you'd have to break it up into 2 separate transactions, as 1 register reward will print per transaction for a like item. So that is the deal there. Now we're looking at another deal for the Pantene at $5 a pop. I know a lot of you are big fans of this shampoo, myself included. We're going to load this coupon, which is a 5 off of 3 for the Pantene shampoo. Grabbing 3 of them at $5 a pop, that's $15, guys. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're going to pay $10, get back one $4 register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. This is the best dental care deal of the week. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the $4 Colgates, and there's a $3 reward when you buy 2 of them. So grabbing 2 of them, whichever 2 at $4 that you want to pick up, you're going to load this digital coupon, which is a 4 off of 2. And it's attaching to the tubes of toothpaste. So for 2 of them, that is $8 on the nose. And subtracting your 4 off of 2 digital, you're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per tube. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Those of you that need to stock up on toilet paper, we have the Scott's at $5. We have a $1.25 IVC, which is a Walgreens brand coupon, dropping it down to $3.75. With those store coupons for the Icy Hot, you could possibly get a couple of those in a cart, use that $5 store coupon and call it maybe a genius deal, or not. And then we also have Old Faithful, $1.99 Walgreens toilet paper. Now let's talk about this. Stacking 3 boosters that include the 5 back when you spend 20, the 5 back when you spend 25 on groceries and household, and then a paper one, which is a 5 back when you spend 15. I ordered some photos a couple days ago and it printed for me in store. Now with the 5 back when you spend 25 in grocery and household, it has to have this at the bottom when you're scanning products in store to ensure you're grabbing the right items. So I grabbed a bunch of household product that include 3 Dawn dish soaps, and then 4 of the P&G laundry care products, a box of dryer sheets, some Tide Pods, the Tide liquid, and then the Downy. So those 4 items, and then a bunch of Dawn dish soap to get me right to 25. I believe this might be a monthly promotion on these Tide products. There's a $5 reward when you buy 4 of them. And then this morning, I think we got $5 of digital coupons that appeared for these products. As you can see, bottom right-hand corner, it's until the 24th. So these are the coupons that I loaded. The $1 for the Bounce, the $1 for the Downy, $1.50 for Tide Liquid, and $1.50 for Tide Pods. Grabbing 4 of those laundry care products, it's $21.96. 3 of the Dawns for $3.72. I had to grab an extra one to get me to the $25 mark. So my total is $25.68. I had my digital boosters loaded, which is 5 back when you spend 30, and then a 5 back when you spend 25 on household products. Got the cashier to also scan my paper booster, and then I had $5 in digital coupons coming off, the ones I just showed you. With my debit card, I paid $20.68. I got back $15 in Walgreens cash, $15 for the 3 boosters, and then $6 in register reward, a $5 for the laundry, and then $1 for the Dawn, making my order basically free. Do not use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but who doesn't like a $25 basket completely for free? That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.